are finishing up our study in Canada, and so today we're going to be making a traditional Canadian dessert, which is a blueberry casserole. And this is served warm with ice cream. So here are our ingredients. Let's get started. We're using Dole blueberries. All right. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our blueberries and we're going to pour it in the bowl.
Yummy bowls. Holy cow, that's a lot of bowl.
Wow. So we've added our blueberries, and now we are going to add in 2 tables of lemon juice and toss. Okay, so toss now. Yeah. We decided to use We decided to use frozen blueberries for this recipe because we weren't sure what date we were going to be able to do this, and we didn't want the fresh blueberries to go bad, but you can use fresh blueberries in this recipe if you want, and it's 16 ounces of blueberries. Now we're going to add in 1/3 cup of packed brown sugar. So who would like to do the packed brown sugar? Okay, so do it.
Yeah, like that. There you go. Okay, I got it.
Okay, so we added in 1/3 cup of packed brown sugar, and we're going to also add in 2 teaspoons of cornstarch.
Oh yes, my goat again.
Can I do it?
Yeah.
There we go.
That's okay.
Fine.
1. And, whoops, just less than that because that's heaping. Okay, that's our 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, and now we're going to stir.
Make it big, but not dead.
All right, so we're stirring in the blueberries and the sugar, cornstarch, and we've also added in lemon. So right now we're mixing in 5 tablespoons or 1/3 cup of butter. We're actually going to put it in our food processor and pulse it together just because we find that to be a more efficient way, or faster, however you want to say it, of cutting butter into flour. So she's putting it in. Yay, she did it. And 1/2 cup of flour. Make sure it's not heaping, okay? All right, there you go. And if you haven't checked out our other cooking videos, I will insert a link in the bottom in the description below of The Little Chef, where me and Hosanna did some Disney recipes. So go ahead and pulse it until it's, yeah, pulse, like, remember? Okay. So now that we have our butter and flour all mixed in, we are going to pour it into a bowl and add in 2/3 cups of oats.
It looks like rice.
It does a little bit look like rice. Okay, so now we're going to add in 2/3 cup of quick cooking oats. And we're gonna mix it all together.
Where's the spoon?
Mix it with a fork like this. So we're mixing in the quick oats with the butter and the flour. And this is gonna make a nice topping for the cooked blueberries.
Ooh, topping?
This goes on the top, so it makes it like, it's kind of similar to an apple crisp.
Oh, that's why I feel like I made it before.
Yeah.
Emma's apple cream.
That's probably good. I think that's incorporated pretty well. So now we're gonna pour the blueberries that we prepared earlier into a 2-quart casserole dish. And then we're gonna spread it around so that it fills up the whole dish.
We just shake the pan.
And then we need someone to, why don't you do it, Noah? We are going to now add the crumble to the top. So we're gonna add our oat mixture to the top of the blueberries. You can sprinkle it from the bowl if you want to.
You just do it from the bowl bed.
It's fine, however he wants to do it. It's fine. Just make sure, yeah. And we're going to pour this on top of the blueberry mixture, and then we can just spread it out real neatly.
Am I doing it wrong?
No, you're doing it perfectly fine.
The sink is out.
A little more. Tap, tap. All right.
Chop, chop.
And that is what we have, and we're gonna use the fork to just get the fork?
A fork.
And we're gonna use the fork to just spread it out evenly so we get, you know, kind of more consistency throughout the dish. All right, that looks good. It does look good, I know. All right, so we preset our oven to 350 and we're gonna pop this in. Everyone's excited to eat ice cream in the middle of the day.
Yeah.
350 for 40 minutes, and we'll come back when we have the finished product.
Bye.
So here's our finished product of our blueberry casserole, and we are gonna plate it up and taste it and see how it is. That looks good. So here are our plates. They look really yummy, and everybody is excited to eat ice cream in the afternoon. So,
Can I grab my plate now? It's steaming.
time for a taste test.
I like that. It has a sour taste.
It's creamy.
It has ice cream on top.
Make it again?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'm gonna taste it all together. You ready?